in this final message, Introduction to Programming, I'm going to be talking about web resources. I'm going to take you to Canvas and look at the web resource page, and then also look at the software Microsoft Visual Studios. This is the software that you're going to be having to download and install on your home computer. We will be using Visual Studios, Visual Basic through the first and second 9 weeks of school. And so it's utmost important that you be able to download and install this software. As I have logged into Canvas and clicked on into the programming page, I'm asking you guys to look at the software and web resources page for programming. So if you can log into Canvas and get to this area of the website, I listed here some of the softwares, and obviously the best operating system you should be using in this class will be Windows 10 computer. There will be times where there may be you having to turn in a Word document, but you see down here the software Microsoft Visual Studios. Now, I'm going to be having a discussion with the download and the downloading Visual Studios, but I'm going to skip over that for now and talk about the web resources. Below here, you'll see a link. This link is a programming resource page that I'm going to be having you guys work with to complete assignments and go through notes and assessments. So by clicking on the link, there's going to be a generic login for this class. If you had me for past years, it's going to be the same. Lab 2122 followed by Bobcats, and that'll open up this page for you to see the first 9 weeks and content dealing with inside the first 9 weeks. As we get into module 1, there will be another video that I will log in and do a little bit more of an overview of how to obtain the notes and the assignments in this class. As I now come back to the software and web resource page for programming, I'm now going to talk with you about the download software. There is directions with that I'm providing you with downloading the Visual Studios. So I'm going to start there and drop back and forth. But by clicking on that, it should open up directions on how to install Visual Studio. This is a PDF file. So I'm not going to read this to you, but these are directions on, by clicking this link, you'll then see the install executable file get downloaded to your download file. So if I jump back there and I click on the link Microsoft Visual Studios and I click on that, you should then see the application take its approach to download to your computer. So once it's done downloading, and I then go to the File Explorer and I go Downloads, you should be able to see the downloaded program file right here. And you can see now I have downloaded it twice. And so all you would have to do is just simply double click on that executable file, and then it would start opening up and going through the different windows. So these steps right here, going back to the PDF file, these steps right here basically tells you and guides you through the installing the software. I know it's not going to take long, but it could take up to, depending your speed of your computer, it could take up to an hour to install. I've given minor directions on each of the windows. in terms of reading through and going this. I've given you the retail key, product key code. And then there is a back end to try to change some of the settings with the tool menus and options. And I am going to be covering this in the future modules to make sure you guys can open up Visual Studios and making these changes as needed. So there is a link to the download. You're going to have to download this software. Battlefield has a site license for this application, and I'm now providing this program to you guys, a part of taking this class.